Hello, welcome to another tutorial on the StikBot Studio 2.0 app. So for this video, I've actually gotten a little creative. I got a piece of paper with a decoration for my background to put my setting in kind of like an outer space setting. And I've also attached this really cool UFO to help tell my story. So I'm going to use my camera phone stand. Alright, and I'm going to make sure that I turn on my app and I click Create Movie. Okay, so I'm going to go on the right side, make sure all the buttons and tools that I need are on. I'm going to make sure my auto white balance is on, autofocus, ghost image, and I would love to have my grid. I don't need the flash because I have enough light in this room. So let's go ahead and start creating this longer movie. This is going to be longer than my penguin one, okay? So what's going to happen in this video is I just want to make sure that I'm focusing on my frame, okay? As you can see, 12 frames still equals 1 second, and we're gonna have to make a video that may be longer than 1 second. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make sure I have my rule of thirds in place. I want my UFO to be kind of the center of focus. That's why I'm gonna have it in my line of intersection right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of that. Okay, and I'm going to add in these crayons that are going to be some part of my characters, and I'll show you the end of the video so you can understand what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to keep that character, that red crayon, in there. Okay, making sure I'm lining up where my characters are supposed to be. Let's get that button in there. My next character. Gotta be very careful, I don't want to knock anything over. Okay. And as you can see, stop motion animation is literally 1 frame at a time. So this is coming along pretty nicely. I'm following the storyboard that I wrote earlier, and that helped me plan out what I want to do with my props and my characters for my videos. Alright, and as you can see, I already have 7 frames out of my 12 frames, and I'm still at 1 second. So I'm going to click this again because I kind of want that small pause. So now I'm on frame 8. I'm going to click this one more time, and then I'm going to slowly take away 1 crayon at a time and move it somewhere else. And it's going to take me more than 12 frames, but that's okay. That's what I want. I want to make more than 1 second of a video, right? So I'm going to slowly take this crayon and move it over here. Now, one little movement goes a long way. Okay, now notice right here. I've already reached my 12 out of 12 frames, but I'm not done with my video yet. So when I click it, alright, it goes back to 1 frame out of 12, and I'm starting 2 seconds. So this video tutorial shows you that even though you passed the 12 frames for 1 second, you can keep taking pictures to make your video longer and longer, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this. Alright, as you can see, I knocked over my crayons on accident. So luckily, we do have the ghost image, which can help me try to remember where my images were at. There we go. Okay. So this purple was a little bit more to the left. There you go, that's better. And it's okay to make mistakes. That's why pencils have erasers. That's why we make mistakes. We just have to fix them. Okay. So that's one reason why it's good to have the ghost image on, so you can see what your last frame was before. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and keep taking pictures, and as you can see, I'm now 3 seconds along with my video. Alright, so you can see here, I have 3 seconds. I'm going to try to get to 5 seconds in this video tutorial. Okay, so I'm introducing a new character. This new character is going to be my mysterious space cat. And as you can see, I'm 4 seconds in with 12 out of 12 frames. I'm almost done with my 5-second video. Alrighty, I'm almost finished. As you can see, I'm already at 11 out of my 12 frames. Awesome, so I'm finally finished with my really cool stop animation. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to click this button up here. Alright, and click this play button. And hopefully it turned out pretty good. Ooh, I really like that. Let's watch it in slow motion. To watch it in the slower frames, we're going to click this plus button. Go over here to the timer. If you move it back here and play it, it goes a lot slower. Nice. Now that was a little bit too slow for me, so I'm going to go here, click the timer, and I'm going to kind of put it in between and see how this looks. I'm going to click my play button. Awesome.